Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. They their exams carefully. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. I the answer correctly. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. The teacher a question. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. He the truth yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. She to school on time. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. We our cousins last weekend. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. The baby in her crib. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. I the window because it was hot. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. He to be a pilot. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. She the exam easily. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. They not at home last night. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. We to the top of the hill. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. I English every day. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. He tired after work. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. She a song at the function. Option B is the correct answer.